The exterior of the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome 2025 will differ based on the base model and the body firm performing the conversion. Since Mercedes-Benz has a number of models that are frequently used as motorhome bases, including the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and Mercedes-Benz Vito Marco Polo. In contrast to the conventional boxy design of the motorhome, the basic Mercedes-Benz van-shaped Sprinter or Vito Marco Polo will continue to be used since it offers comparatively decent aerodynamics. To improve internal headroom, many conversions include an integrated or extra-high roof, sometimes made of fiberglass. For an extra bed, certain versions could include a pop-up roof. The usage of lightweight composite materials will grow in popularity due to their durability and efficiency. The trend will be windows with panoramic patterns or simple frames. LED headlights and taillights will use less energy and be more dynamic. Thin solar panels will be added to the roofs of more RVs. Contemporary interior design typically offers flexibility and makes the most of available space. To maximize available space, this might incorporate swivel seats, foldable tables, and beds that can be turned into seating spaces. Neutral hues, crisp lines, and creative material utilization. Mercedes-Benz is renowned for its elegance and high quality. Premium elements like premium leather upholstery, wood or other contemporary materials, and elegant finish are likely to be found inside a Mercedes-based motorhome. A typical component to create a cozy and contemporary ambience will be the adjustable LED lighting system. Incorporating a huge touchscreen, smartphone connectivity, navigation, and a top-notch sound system into the Mercedes-Benz MBUX entertainment system. Use a central touch panel or a smartphone app to control several motorhome features. Additional USB ports, internet connectivity, and wireless charging. For a safer and more enjoyable ride, include driver assistance technologies and Mercedes-Benz active and passive safety measures. Motorhomes are constructed on Mercedes-Benz chassis by a variety of bodybuilders and experts. As a result, the basic Mercedes-Benz model that serves as the foundation for the conversion will have a significant influence on the engine selection. Predicated on popular models for conversion, the following engine prognosis for Mercedes-Benz motorhomes is predicated on 2025. A common option for motorhomes, ranging from Class B camper vans to the larger Class C, is the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. A 2.0 all-inline for turbo diesel engine and a 3.0 V6 turbo diesel engine are two possible engine options. The Marco Polo, a campervan model based on the V-Class, is officially offered by Mercedes-Benz. It is anticipated to feature a 2.0 all-inline for turbo diesel engine V3OD with around 237 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque for the 2025 model year. Standard equipment includes a 9-speed automatic gearbox 9 G-tronic.